This is a 2017 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Lariat with the sport package gray over black two-tone interior, power windows, locks, and mirrors, leather-wrapped steering wheel, home link for your garage door, heated and cooled seats, USB for your phone, traction control, satellite radio, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat, power deployable running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, lockable tailgate, bed liner, power sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter Ecoboost engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.